Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Smart Motion Sensor with AC Adapter Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The Black and Gold Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer by GIMILI is a motion sensor activated faucet that stands out due to its unique design. The faucet has an elegant black and gold finish that makes it look attractive in modern kitchens. It also comes with a pull-down sprayer that is convenient for washing dishes. Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer by GIMILI is a solid choice for customers looking for an attractive and modern faucet with a pull-down sprayer. Here are some of the specific features I love about the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Smart Motion Sensor with AC Adapter Kitchen Faucet. Touchless technology, no need to touch the faucet, just wave your hand to turn the water on and off within 0.5 seconds. Automatically shuts off after 3 minutes of inactivity to prevent accidental opening and wasting water. AC Adapter Power Supply. Use the AC Adapter Kit to continuously power the faucet without changing batteries. Can be installed in any standard outlet in the sink cabinet. Note, please do not connect the AC adapter to the garbage disposal outlet or it will cut off the power. Multifunctional sprayer. 20 pull-out nozzle with 2 modes: stream for fast filling water, spray for strong cleaning. GIMILI faucets offer unique flexibility in kitchen operations to reach any of your needs. Reliable quality. The lead-free solid brass body keeps family members away from harm. Ceramic valve tested to 500,000 switching cycles, can be used for up to 10 years without fear of leakage. Matte black and brushed gold surface which resists scratches and corrosion, not easy to oxidize, for creating a classic kitchen decorating style. Key features of the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Smart Motion Sensor Kitchen Faucet with AC Adapter. Touchless operation, motion sensor activation, automatic shut-off, dual power options. Functionality and design: multifunctional sprayer, single handle control, high arc spout, modern design. Durability and quality: lead-free solid brass construction, ceramic valve, scratch-resistant finish, 2-year warranty. Additional features: easy installation, drip-free operation, deck-mounted design. Pros and cons of the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Kitchen Faucet with AC Adapter. Pros: touchless convenience, automatic shut-off, dual power options, multifunctional sprayer, high arc spout, stylish design, durable construction, easy installation, drip-free operation, 2-year warranty. Cons: AC adapter placement, large size, battery life dependence. Overall, the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Kitchen Faucet offers several attractive features, especially for those who prioritize touchless operation, convenience, and modern design. However, consider the potential downsides, like sensor issues, price point, and size limitations before making a decision. Weighing the pros and cons against your specific needs and budget will help you determine if this faucet is the right choice for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the GIMILI Black and Gold Touchless Kitchen Faucet with AC Adapter. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.